If you're really confident calculating fractions of quantities and you're really confident with division, then you can start doing these in an abstract way. That means without any objects or drawing any pictures. However, if you're not that confident, you can keep using the bar model. That's absolutely fine. But let's see how we would do these without a bar model. So we've got 1/3 of 33. So imagine we've got 33 children, and we want to split them into 3 groups. How much would be in one group? What I always like to do with fractions, you can see we've got one non-unit fraction, but the rest are unit fractions. What I like to do is always find the non-unit fraction first, and that can help me. So when I'm doing 1/3 of 33, I know that I'm dividing by 3. So 33 divided by 3 is 11. So if we had 33 children, we split them into 3 groups, there would be 11 children in each group. Well, what if we had 2 groups instead of 1 group? Well, it'd be another 11. So I know that would be 22, and I know the 3 groups would be 33. Now this one's a bit trickier, because this time we're dealing with sixths. So this time we are dividing by 6. I'm going to make a non-unit fraction first to help me. So I'm going to do very quickly, I'm going to do 1/6 of 48. This is going to help me. Okay, so 48 divided by 6 is 8, because 8 goes into 48 6 times. So this is going to help me. So 1/6 of 48 is 8. So what are 4/6 of 48? What are 4 groups? Okay, so have a look here. So I'm going to do 8 times 4, which is 32. And that will be 4 groups instead of 1 group. So let's write that here. 32. So if we had 48 children and we split them into 6 groups, how many would be in 4 of those groups? Well, there'd be 32 in 4 of those groups. But if I had 1 more group, I would need to add on 1 more 8. Let's just add that on there. So 1 more group would make 40. So 5/6 of 48 is 40. So always try and imagine these in a real life context. Some of these questions from maths land, but maths is a real thing. So for example, if you're doing 1/3 of 33, think, well, I have 33 children, I split them into 3 groups, how many in each group? So you can either use an abstract method to solve the questions on the next slide, or you can keep using bar models if you find that easier.